In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove customer login on your Shopify store. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to hide the login or sign-in links so your customers can shop without ever seeing a login option. This is really useful if you don't use customer accounts, or if you want a very simple guest checkout only experience. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. You should land on the main homepage of your Shopify admin, where you see your recent activity, orders, and shortcuts. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the admin screen and click on the settings option. This is where all of your store's global configurations live, including things like payments, checkout, and customer accounts. We'll be working inside this area for the rest of the process. Once you're on the settings page, find and click on customer accounts. Depending on your version of the Shopify admin, this may appear as a separate section or a link within your customer-related settings, but it will be clearly labeled customer accounts. Go ahead and open that. On the customer account settings page, you'll see options that control how customers log in, whether accounts are optional or required, and how sign-in links appear around your store. What we're interested in is the option that controls the visibility of sign-in links. Look for a toggle or switch labeled Show Sign-in Links. When this is turned on, Shopify displays login or sign-in options on your storefront, usually in the header, on the checkout, and sometimes on your account pages. To remove customer login from the customer-facing side of your store, simply click on this toggle to turn it off. When you switch it off, Shopify will stop showing those sign-in links to visitors. Customers will still be able to check out as guests, but they won't be prompted to log in or create an account. If you use customer accounts in the future, you can always come back to the same setting and turn the toggle back on. After switching it off, remember to save your changes if a save button appears. Then visit your live storefront in a new browser tab, refresh the page, and confirm that the login or account link is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully